Have you ever been cruising down the highway, feeling that rush of freedom, only to be jolted by the sudden glare of your check engine light? That little light could be your vehicle's way of saying, hey, I need some attention. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind the P0024 Diagnostic Trouble Code, one that could affect any OBD2-equipped vehicle, from Toyotas to Fords and beyond. So what exactly is a P0024 code? It's a powertrain code that signals an issue with the variable valve timing, or VVT. Imagine your engine as a carefully orchestrated symphony, where every note must be in perfect harmony. But when the cam timing is over-advanced, things can go out of tune, and that's when your check engine light shines bright. Now let's dive deeper. The B camshaft, often the exhaust, right or rear camshaft, takes center stage. If it's not performing as it should, you could experience symptoms like hard starting, poor idle, or even stalling. Frustrating, right? But what if there's more to this story than meets the eye? There's a world of causes behind this P0024 code. It could stem from incorrect camshaft timing, wiring problems in the intake timing control valve system, continuous oil flow issues, or a timing valve control solenoid that's stuck open. Each of these issues is a clue, leading us closer to understanding your engine's mysterious behavior. But don't panic, there's hope on the horizon. The P0024 code points to a mechanical fault in the VCT unit or related components, so you won't need an extensive electrical diagnosis. Instead, consult your vehicle-specific repair manual to perform component tests for the VCT unit. So hope that was helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the video, and see you in the next one.